Hi and, hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about food. As for everyone who like to train and exercise, probably you like to eat also. And for me at least, I like sometimes to have a little bit of strawberry jam. So one way to make your first class strawberry jam and make it look a little bit nicer, I buy this first price products which have a reasonable price, quite low. And to make this, you have to buy the first price frozen strawberries. And for me, I have prepared for yesterday, so this is the toad one. So it's the same, but yeah, it's prepared. And then you have the jam, and then you have some extra jar to put in. So what I'm doing is, I take these strawberries. This is prepared from yesterday. I take this away. Don't need this one. None. And put it here. Done. And then of course it depends on how you like it. I like to have it in chunks, so I just make it a little bit smaller. And of course if you like bigger chunks, you can just put them whole. The important thing is just to remember to get them melted so you get all the juice out. Because if you still have the juice inside, what you will have is a soup instead. It will not be jam anymore. So remember that. Oh, I guess. So, and then you can of course put strawberries the amount you like. It depends on how sweet you want it. I like to have at least maybe half. So for this jar that I have, I can almost use everything from the bag. So, but now I want to make this quite quick. Done. Done. And then you can of course look afterwards if that is okay. But I will have some. Just and I don't know, but at least when you make it into some chunks, I think it mixes better with the jam. So then you have it there. Then you open this one. And what you see, it's not so much of strawberry inside. I don't know. You can read on the can what the percentage is, but it doesn't look so strawberry. And that is probably why it's so cheap, but or low price. And then I just mix it with the strawberries. And as you see, it's a nice mix, and I think I just take everything here because that's mix it again so we got it on. So we should have it all filled up. And then you put this back on. Let it be in the refrigerator for a few days, something. And then you have a strawberry jam that looks more first class from these low price, first price products. And I think this tastes better and looks more nice. So if you just don't want to cook it from the fresh strawberries that you pick outside, which also could be a way to do it. Maybe I try that one, I think we have in the freezer. But if you just want the fast way to make a nice strawberry jam, and then I think this is the way to go, and you can mix it as you like, as much strawberries as you like. And yeah, thanks for me. So just like and subscribe, and I hope to come up with some more videos for eating and training. And yeah, thank you. Bye.